Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.2 question number 3. Question number 3 is you have to show that triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. In the following proof supply the missing regions. It is given that that PM that is PM is equal to QM. It is given, right? PM equal to QM is given. The reason is given. This is given. And 2 is PMA is equal to angle QMA. It is also given. And angle AM and side AM is equal to AM, that is the common side. Therefore, here you are getting side, angle, side. Therefore, triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ by reason of side, angle, side congruence rules. Side, angle, side angle, side congruence rule. Side, angle, side congruence rule. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.